Dennis F. Bonilla is the Vice President of the Employer and Academic Partnership Group at the University of Phoenix, responsible for all strategies and activities associated with approximately 4,000 educational service agreements between the University of Phoenix and private, public, government enterprises, and post-secondary academic institutions. Prior to this role, Dennis was the Executive Dean of the College of Information Systems and Technology, the School of Business, and the College of Criminal Justice at the University of Phoenix. He was responsible for revenue, curriculum, faculty, assessment, and operations for these schools and colleges, which represented over 65% of the University of Phoenix's revenue and student base. Prior to joining University of Phoenix, Mr. Bonilla served as Senior Vice President of Learning Solutions at GP Strategies Corporation, Chief Executive Officer of Medicine Indigene, President and Chief Operations Officer of the Las Vegas Institute for Advanced Dental Studies, Vice President of Oracle University, co-founder of Energy Training Corporation, and training engineer for Westinghouse. He is a veteran of the U.S. Navy, where he taught in Naval Nuclear Power School and served 3 patrols in engineering operations on the USS Casimir Pulaski SSBN 633, a nuclear submarine in the Ballistic Missile Fleet, Sublon. Mr. Bonilla is a member of numerous organizations' boards, including the Arizona Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, Arizona Diamondbacks Los D-backs Hispanic Ambassadors Council, Microsoft Higher Education Advisory Board, Whole Systems Incorporated, the Pandexio Board, and recently as Director of the Board at Squigl. In July 2017, Mr. Bonilla was awarded the Insight into Diversity Inspiring Leaders in STEM Award. He holds an MBA in Operations Analysis from Pace University and also earned a bachelor's degree in Nuclear Engineering Technology from the University of the State of New York. He is a licensed private pilot, enjoys playing guitar, golf, and tennis, and is most proud of being a father to 3 daughters.